Hi guys, John here, Scottish entrepreneur. I'd just like to say thanks to everyone for watching my videos, and if you're enjoying it, please give us a thumbs up. If the content actually means anything to you, then subscribe to the channel for more content, of course. If you've got a problem with anything that I'm doing, or if you think I could do anything better, then please leave a comment in the box below. I'm happy for your feedback and even constructive criticism. I've noticed some thumbs down on my videos, but no one's actually telling me what the issue is. I'd like to know what the problems with my videos are, that way I can actually rectify them. So thanks again guys. In this video, it's just a quick Amazon Merch tutorial. It's just for people that's new to Amazon Merch and new to designing. Again, I use Inkscape for pretty much all my t-shirt designs, and it is a free software, so it's a pretty good vector graphic software as opposed to Adobe Illustrator, which you have to pay for. In this tutorial, it's just going to be showing new people, specifically new people. Anyone that's done Merch knows how to do this. Anyone who really knows how to use Inkscape or Adobe Illustrator, then they'd know how to do this, but you do see it time and time again. The reason why I'm specifically showing this is because I had the problem myself, and that's how to blow up your designs or get your designs at the right dimensions and sitting the way you want to. You want your picture or your text to show on the t-shirt. So we're told specifically from Amazon they want 4,500 width by 5,400 height, but that's it. You can get templates, but if you're using vector graphic software, it's not the easiest thing to actually remove a template. Whilst obviously with your design on it, you have to remove a template whilst your design's on top of it and keep the same dimensions. So this is the way that I've done it. So I'll show you how it would look. For example, if you just done it at the dimensions Amazon has set. So text base, awesome. Right, so awesome. I'll put a width here 4,500, the height 5,400. There we go. We've got our design. Okay, so click on drawing, and then make sure here where it says image size is the same dimensions. I'm going to zoom out. Here's our drawing. So some people, this is where people can get confused. They would just export the image exactly like this, and then they'd throw it on Amazon, and it'd look like this. You can kind of see you can get the gist from here. Whereas you would want probably your design, the word awesome, just to show just at the top here. So I'm going to show you very quickly how you can actually do that. It's a very simple process, or the way I do it anyway. So I'm just going to delete this and try again. Okay, so right, so get it looking the way you want it to look. So for example, we want it sitting across the chest, then we'll go to the rectangle. Now this is what we use as our template. Make it black, put it in the, no actually, make it white, put the stroke black. This way you've got a bit of an idea what you're doing. And then send it to the back. Here's your picture here. So you adjust this to the exact way. Basically this is your template for your t-shirt. So the drop down here is the drop down on your t-shirt. Excuse me, there's my daughter, she's just waking up, sorry. So basically you're going to make sure that doesn't have a fill. Make sure it doesn't have a stroke. You're going to get both of them, and then you're going to put the dimensions 4,500, 5,400. Excuse me, 2 seconds, sorry. Sorry about that, guys. I could have started a video, but I'm nearly finished and I don't think she's going to let me. Right, so here's our dimensions. Click on drawing again, make sure it's the right way. Export. Put this in as test 2. Save. And then export. Upload. You can see the difference here. Of course, it's across the chest. And there we have it. So again, it's not exactly something that anyone that knows how to do Merc or graphics designer in particular don't know what they're doing. It's just if you're new to Merc and you're not too sure, this is just a quick tutorial. So hopefully it helps someone out there. If it does, give us a like and let me know. Thanks very much, guys. See you later.